Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a JBL Charge Essential and you need to do a hard reset on it. If you're having any connectivity issues, whether it keeps disconnecting to your device or it won't connect at all, or you're having sound issues or anything like that, a hard reset is very easy to do and it will fix a lot of those issues. And all we need to do for this is we need to make sure that our speaker is on. And then once our speaker is on, we're just going to come in and we're going to press and hold the volume up button and the play button simultaneously for about 5 seconds. So all you need to do is just press them and hold them continuously until you hear the classic sound that JBL makes. The speaker will turn off. And from there, your speaker is basically reset. The only thing you need to do now is to go ahead and turn the speaker back on. And when you turn the speaker back on, any device you connect it to, even if it had been connected before, you'll need to pair it as though pairing a new device because it's been reset and it is a new device.